Sweet Solution Studios.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
It's Sweet Solution Studios.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Hey. What? Wait. See yourself. Yo. Adios also. Charlie, Naya, yeah. Hey. She was here, bro. She was here. She just left. I told her to wait for me and she's gone. Yeah, I told her to wait for me. She's gone. So what's up? Yeah, we'll come.
Okay. I don't know what speed is adding. Should be a call.
Nifio.
What in Nifio?
Naya, Charlie, I don't understand it.
I'm alive.
Naya, they confuse me. Okay, it's the first time no buy me home. The one was call me down. Say no, okay.
Oh yeah, sure.
Now this trip, you may not buy me home. I say, we have some misunderstanding with my cousin. And I'll be passing time on me home. But then, okay, so here maybe because then I'll be try exam. And I plan to say, I'm going to help her. And I go ATM. Just when I got to the ATM, now I'm home. Message. But then, the girl, she's up to something. Because I say, only other guys in Casa. When the first time now buy me one, she logged in her Instagram on my phone. And all on the phone, I think it went off. So I gave her my own login or chatting, but she no log out, so the things still did up. So me, I reached the ATM that they come to the way I see the message again. The person send a message say, make me time for where. If you there now, she call me. They tell me say in cousin call am, so if for some rush go. Charlie speed where I take go back to the house. I go, she know the. Yeah, so I come.
Can I see the message?
I know they understand. See, See some Instagram. This will be me, my own. Hey, see the guy in chat. But see the other chats too, did it? We message we buy no friend.
Charlie.
Say also call.
Charlie.
We go back to I no go meet them. So she say also.
Charlie. Bad man. Girl no Charlie. Say if she say that here, I don't think that she's going to help you. Trust me. Because concerning the message no, or not doing it now. So wait. Say I find out who is scanner. Very good. Scanning who is scanner.
No,
the truth is, she wants to outsmart you. But you remember, I want to make sure not. You remember outsmarting her first. So do you know what you're going to do now? Opa, me contact no. Sisamidino, no, Ibia, Absa or Fidelity Bank or any other bank. Na me send me edit message. Na me send you text messages. Error. And messages be just say oh your transaction, but we are scanning map. Now they are trying no. Obey them. She's not going to find out. Now they are trying. What the China DBC no. Near who the next plan. Yes, because Oba. Oh yes, I know my like you say. But not doing it now.
They confuse me.
Yeah.
They can't jail. I mean, Baby, here no. We can just check the message. You see that?
But girls, you might mention my
message come inside.
Confion no ni hono.
No, speed. My friend and I is on fire.
Wow. So let's stick to that plan. Yes.
Confia my friend and our farm, so Bampa, and I will take the message.
That's all.
If I call you, I will call you.
That's when you say, hello, madam.
Charlie, another one.
Bring me drink number quiet. No, so yes, sir.
Don't judge me.
You're back, Ellie.
What about your thing you said you were going to take?
I was going to give something to a friend. Yeah, but did you get the money?
I had an issue with my phone outside. Sorry, with the ATM. Look at the message. I don't know. It looks like I can only access it from tomorrow. You know that 12 to 5 things. I couldn't withdraw the money, so has to be tomorrow. I mean, I know it will be a problem, but I'm sure we can wait a little. We can start the papers and then you top up the money. Or
You can have your phone. I'm going inside.
yeah, she come. She dey inside. Charlie, the plan work. I vex. You vex, eh? Forget. Yeah, so once I plan, I need money, then we'll cool it down, okay? Forget. Yeah, so we'll link for them tomorrow. I'll go inside. Check. Now I know your business, you gotta go. You don't have to be mad that I couldn't get the money for you. It's not my fault. Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
Because I was going to say I'm going to see if I can get a loan from my friend.
Will be fine.
Yeah, to help you.
Okay, let's give it a try.
I'm hoping he picks up.
Hello?
Yo, see?
Yo, my guy.
Charlie, how far?
Wow.
Charlie, Adeko.
Now, Zay.
Yo, Charlie, Nana, me here, you, Busian.
What is it?
Me here, Busian, a very urgent kaka.
Who here if you want home?
Oh, my friend, me see me here, Busian, me if you want. Then I want to.
So open more.
Oh, see?
Who here if you want home?
See, it's important call, they call you. Then I am.
Okay? Separate me, my man, and to me, now crowd. You can't borrow money from me. Will you not pay? What's that for Busian on home? So do you expect me to give you the money?
See, train. Can I do now? Can I 50 Ghana pay? Just, why you do that? I go take give you, just send the 5. See, I don't want 500 pay.
50 Ghana pay, that's all for 500 pay. Yeah. 50 Ghana pay, no. We are not the 500 pay amount.
See, you belong, but you. You know, I don't have cash at all on me. It'll have to be tomorrow. If you have, or even more, I could send to him. I just give him the 50 and then I'll get the 500.
Okay. I have one.
Okay.
His number. It's sent.
Let me
Tell him I've sent it.
Nana, check your message. Ma send you 50 now. You see him? Charlie, look sharp and send the 500 come and do it with you.
Mommy told me about maybe or outside bank and our car bank and our fidelity. Never be at a collateral. The one
See.
if I even you need
Ah.